Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to build ultimate deck in Clash Royale. Determine whether you prefer offensive, defensive, or balanced gameplay to guide your card selections. Every deck needs a reliable win condition card that can target enemy towers effectively. Include cards like Balloon, Giant, or Golem that target buildings to pressure opponents and distract defensive structures. Aim for a balanced elixir cost to maintain versatility and responsiveness. Cards like Wizard, Baby Dragon can deal with swarms of troops effectively, providing area damage. Cards such as Musketeer or Prince excel at taking down single high health targets like tanks. Include cards like Minions, Mega Minions, or Inferno Dragon to counter air units and maintain control of the skies. Have at least one spell to deal with swarms or support your troops during battles. Choose cards that work well together, such as Tornado with splash damage troops or Miner with swarm units. Identify weaknesses in your deck and ensure you have cards to cover these vulnerabilities. Stay updated with the game's meta and adjust your deck to counter popular strategies and cards. Cycle decks with low elixir cost cards can allow for rapid deployment and continuous pressure on opponents. Test different card combinations to discover synergies that suits your playstyle and maximize effectiveness. Plan for counter pushes by including defensive cards that can transition into offensive attacks. Build your deck around protecting your win condition cards with defensive and supportive troops. Tanks like Lava Hold or Royal Giant can soak up damage and create opportunities for your other troops. Understand how your cards interact with each other and with opponents' cards to make strategic decisions. Different arenas may require adjustments to your deck composition to adapt to new card unlocks and strategies. And that's how to build the ultimate deck in Clash Royale. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.